accept any questions tonight. Thank you.
Good evening. We understand there's a tremendous demand for information related to the officer-involved shooting that happened in our city on Thanksgiving evening. We will be transparent throughout the course of this investigation. We've issued 2 updates just today on the current status of the investigation that is being led by the lead law enforcement agency, the state of Alabama, the Alabama Law Enforcement Agency, also known as ALEA. Understandably, there is a tremendous interest in seeing video from body cameras and other sources. All video evidence was immediately transferred to outside agencies that were investigating this. It now resides with ALEA, and they will determine when it will be released. We ask for patience as we continue to support ALEA in its investigation of last Thursday's tragic events, including pursuit of the shooter, who still remains at large. Law enforcement has certain information about this individual and asks the public to provide ALEA with any available details that may hasten an arrest. There's honestly not a lot we can say at this point, since the investigation is not in the city's hands. But we definitely want to stress that we're deeply and sincerely sympathetic to the family and friends of Mr. Emantic Fitzgerald Bradford Jr. The loss of any fellow human being is deeply tragic, whatever the circumstances. We all want answers, and we believe that with patience and focus, the truth will be firmly established. We have to trust the justice process, and we plead your patience in that. We are in the process of requesting a meeting with the Bradford family. We also express appreciation to all of the City of Hoover police personnel who are still out there making our city safe tonight. We want everyone who lives in Hoover, works or visits Hoover, to know that we are a city that puts safety and respect in the highest regard for all citizens. Thank you very much.
Mr. Mayor, can you just say if you've seen the video?
No, that was Mayor Frank Brocato you just heard there, and if you guys could come